And just to add a little bit extra to this video, you can go again in here and change the video playback language settings by clicking on language, going down and changing the language of whatever you want. So if you want your subtitles in Spanish and your speech in English, change your subtitles only to Spanish or whatever language that you want. Again, I like to have them online in English because I only speak in English, but other people are bilingual or have, people in their family who maybe speak a different language. So if you want the subtitles to be in a different language, you can change that here. And you can change the fact that you could change the audio that's outputted to you to a different language too. So again, to change the language settings for PlayStation 4, you're going to want to log in, go to settings, push up, go to settings on the right, go all the way down to where it says video playback settings, change the language or click on language, and you can change the language settings within here. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any issues, any problems, post in the comment section below. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Whole life in a copy paste. Talking about my mistakes, I guess you can't relate to the path that I chose to take. A picture walk that I take on my face.